we're gonna pretend to be the Outdoor Boys today. Luke here with the Outdoor Boys YouTube channel. Kyle here from the Lost Boys YouTube channel today. It's Brody's birthday, so he wanted to bring Haynes with him, and we are doing an outdoor day, trying to do some hiking and cook some food. We'll see how it goes. We're pretty lost out here. Okay, so a little change of plans. We were going to go hike to Window Mountain. It's closed. Yeah. So we're here at just past Coleman, and instead of going to Window Mountain Lake, we're going to go hike to Allison Creek Falls. I've never been there. I've heard about it. And then I think we might go and try to find a place for a fire. And so still fun, less hiking, so that's always good. Yeah, it's not too cold. It's like 0 degrees right now. We're gonna go hiking over there. Trail somewhere over there. All right, let's go. Let's go this way. So, Allison Creek Falls Trail. Little change of plan, but this isn't too bad. Not complaining. That's a nice view, hey? I don't think we should toboggan down this hill. Alright, where are we going? So if the parking lot's there.
So up there?
So I think we go that way, yeah. Parking lot's over there, and then we go straight. So follow that trail. Look at the snow's like squishy, kind of crunchy a little bit. It's like almost snowman snow, but not quite.
It doesn't feel like snow.
It doesn't feel like snow? Alright, I'll check my phone to make sure we're going the right way. Well, it says we're getting closer, but hopefully there's a trail that goes down to the bottom. Because it's a pretty steep hill. A break?
Yeah, my stomach's kind of hurting.
Why, did you eat enough today? You didn't eat very much. You want a cream puff? Cream puff.
That looks clean inside of it. Thank you.
Good.
Good.
Hopefully we can find a trail down to the falls. Yeah, if we just keep going that way, we should meet up with it.
So let's just go in that trail.
Yeah. Oh yeah, is that a trail? I don't even know.
That's a snowmobile thing.
Oh, maybe, yeah. Yeah, once we link up with that, it should be okay. Oh yeah, that's nice. Huh, how did we miss this trail? We totally missed this.
Where are you right now?
We're going down to the river.
You're like on your phone.
I don't know, just here. Deer tracks? Or are those bunny? I think those are bunny tracks. Oh, I think we're getting closer.
Okay, Dad, we're just gonna slide down.
Okay. There he goes. Well, that's easier than walking. Oh, be careful.
There's a shit.
Oh yeah.
That was fun. I think we're lost now.
Whoa. What's that? So I think the little waterfalls are down there. They're nothing too spectacular.
Oh, you can see the river? Yeah.
I don't know how we get down there, but if we walk a ways, we can maybe find a place for a fire and stuff.
Right here is good. Yeah.
Possibly, yeah. We'll see if there's any dead stuff. It's good? Alright, you guys want to stop here?
Yeah.
Alright. I got a little tarp we can put our bags on. And then we'll go look for dead wood.
We can do it like right here.
Yeah, we'll do it away from the trees and stuff. This will be good.
Like right here?
Yeah. Cook on this thing later. Got the cream puffs.
Yeah.
Got some food in there.
Wait, Dad,
What?
should we do it right here?
The fire? No, maybe just do it right there. Yeah, it's kind of rainy a little bit, eh? Now where?
Are we cutting down stuff too?
Well, I have a little saw blade thing. I'm looking for it. What? Yeah, you can break that off. Why don't you guys try to break that off? Yeah, I'll get the saw. Yeah, I think I left the saw in the other backpack when we switched them. Oh well, we got a little hatchet. Here, bro, use your thing too. Now you kind of have a little bit of a saw blade, but it's not very big. Oh, I was excited. Shoot, I was excited for that saw. I'll look one more time, but I don't think we have it. Oh, we do have it. Ta-da! Sweet. We got it. Here. Kind of raining out here. That's weird. What do you think? The saw's no good or what?
It's like good for tiny food. Like,
Here, let me try something.
is it working?
Yeah. Now break it. Now pull on it. Here. Watch out.
We need it where the weak spot.
So no, guys, the best bet is to find dead stuff.
Like-
Don't like stuff on the ground, okay?
Yeah, like this.
It takes too long.
Dad, this?
No, stuff that's just like laying on the ground, you can pick it up like that. Okay, yeah, let's go check out the falls. And then if there's any sticks, just be careful. Now make sure you can come back up after.
Yeah, we totally can.
Okay. Okay, I'm just gonna make sure all our stuff's put away. Hey guys, we don't just leave an axe like this, right? You gotta put stuff away.
Oh, there's a rope right here.
Oh, that's to help you get down.
Oh, wait, okay.
Or up, yeah, to get up again. So the one beside it, is that tied up too?
Oh, yeah, it's not, but we, like, if we can, we can just, like,
Oh, interesting. I think that's just holding that rope tight or something. Yeah, let's just leave that.
okay, I got some.
Okay, we'll just leave them in a pile. We'll come back for them.
Yeah, just like. Oh, here's the water.
The little waterfalls? Oh, cool.
This is where we can get water, Dad.
No, we're not gonna. Well, we could boil water and drink it, but I think we'll be okay.
It's a good spot.
Yeah. Oh, there's a little bridge down there. Watch out if there might be frozen ice there. You don't want to get wet. Oh, look at those icicles on that.
Oh yeah, look at those icicles. Oh, that's like.
Is it like a pool of water? Whoa.
No, it's like icicles. It's like down here.
Oh yeah.
You just go there and like check it out.
Ooh, there's some nice wood over there. I don't know if we can get those. Yeah, I already took some up there if you guys want to help, and then we'll start the fire. Here's one right here.
I'm gonna take off mine.
Yeah, you don't want to get too sweaty because then you get kind of wet later. If you get sweaty and then it's not very fun. All right, I think I got quite a bit up there already.
Oh, you do?
So we'll have to do a couple trips, but yeah, I think that's gonna be enough.
Okay, I'm just gonna put my stuff up there and then.
Okay, you could leave your gloves maybe, but. Whew. All right, let's get these up to the fire. Okay, ready? Here it comes, bro. Then you just give it to Haynes. Oh, a little slippery. Whoa.
I don't have much, but.
Yeah, there's a whole bunch over there too. And I know there's some more over. We can find more that way.
Okay, we need to get dry.
Yeah, we need to start piling them. Okay, put all the logs right here.
And then this fire will be right here.
Yeah, and we'll start the fire there. So bring those over and we'll cut them into smaller pieces. So. All right, I'm looking for a big log or something we can all sit on. We'll put the tarp over it so we don't get all wet when we're cooking. I just don't want it huge though, so to drag it back. But this looks like some stuff over here maybe. Ooh, that actually looks like a good spot to roast. Here's some logs. It would have been a good place for a fire maybe, but too late for that. Okay, I just lifted this up on the path and that will do just perfect, and I can even carry it. Yeah, and then get all the little things off it. Just don't get anybody's fingers. A little thinner than that, Brody. Let's put them all in a pile now. So get all the little twigs, and I'll put some lint in there. And then we'll kind of fluff it up a little bit. Alright. And then we'll try this little thing.
We need twigs on top of it.
Yeah, get ready for twigs around to put them on. Alright, we'll see if it works. Okay, we gotta get a little more lint. It's like cotton candy, but really gross.
Wait, not that much.
Yeah, because we're gonna just use it all. Get the lighter. Yeah, we'll get the lighter out. Okay, the boys want to try one more time, and we got some toilet paper this time, so see if we can do it. Alright, I'm gonna look for some twigs because everything's so wet. Hey guys, come and get some of this. This is dry. See how it just snaps? You want to hear that nice snap, and that means it's dry. Okay, break off a bunch of those. Alright, let's do it, guys. You have your knife, Haynes. Alright, be ready? Makes a difference to have some dry twigs. Then you guys can start bringing smaller twigs so we can start to dry them out. So bring over all that stuff. Okay, let's see what we got here. So we got some eggs, got some sausage, got some cream puffs, pots and pans, a little bit of jam, some hard marshmallows, some honey butter. We'll see how that. Oh, I'm gonna start thawing it out right now. Let's put it there. What else? I think we got some hot chocolate powder. We got some brie cheese. We'll try out. 30% off, of course. I'm gonna get those pots. Get those pots filled with some water. Okay, well we don't need huge ones. Okay, I should have showed you before, but I made this dough last night and it was just puffed up. Whoa, steamy. It had just puffed up tons while it's in the bag. So I'm gonna warm them up so we can start to make some bread. Alright, these melted a little bit, but that's okay. Actually, get a cup of some water first. And then I'm gonna...
That's not clean.
Okay, so what I need you to do, so this has a little handle. You want to get your knife, please? You need to start roasting these sausages. Oh crap.
What?
The honey butter.
Oh.
Oh shoot. Oh man, I forgot about that. Dang. Oh, that's too bad. Oh, shoot. Oh. This one can be mine. Oh, this is a big mess. Yeah, this was on there and it melted. This is gonna be interesting, guys. So I'm gonna need you guys' help. So the idea is we're gonna cook these sausages. So you can put a little bit of this butter, Brody.
Butter?
Brody, if you want to put eggs in there right now.
Too much?
No, it's like that.
Okay.
Just
But
wait a
I
sec.
want to do what she does, crack it on the knife.
Here, and we'll try to bake it like that. So this one has cheese in it. Okay, bro, we're gonna move that.
Not bad at crack.
Tell me what we got cooking.
Sausages and bread stuff, and then eggs.
Nice. Honey butter had a casualty, but we'll try some anyways.
Dad, I can't resist that. The stick will fall and then all your stuff.
Okay, let me just see it. Okay. Let's see how things are doing. A little burned, but that's okay. Whew. Oh no. Ooh, hot tamale. Oh, maybe if I use a stick, that'll be okay. Almost.
Okay, we're gonna explore over there and see if there's a hill.
Okay. Alright, I got a better idea. I'm gonna get all these pieces of wood out of the way. Get all these pieces of wood out of the way, and then I can get the ashes and cook the rest. Alright, let's take a look at what we're gonna eat here. A lot of burnt stuff, but that's okay. And we have knives to eat it with, and no plates. So we have some eggs. We got some buns. Hopefully they're done in the middle. They're getting there. Got a little bit of flat bread. Oh, that bread could use a little more. I don't know on these ones. I don't know, we'll see. Who wants this plate? I'll dish you guys up. You take that plate. Catch it, bro. And I will use this as my plate. Alright, well, I think it's around 2 or 2:30 or something. I think we're gonna start cleaning up this mess. Alright, let's get cleaned up, guys. Well, they almost made it back to the car. So close, but yet so far. Guess we'll have to leave them. Bye, guys. Alright, guys, how was it?
Pretty good.
Good. We survived. Now we're just gonna go to Star.
It's so steep.
It's so steep. Huh. Alright, we're gonna go to Star Creek Falls and then back home. stab it right in the ice. Ready, set, go. Oh. All right, watch out for the ice. You gonna what? Oh, these are cool. You can lean back a bit, right? Lean back. Be careful. Yeah, find a groove and keep it in it. We're okay now. We're gonna get to the waterfall. Now I wish I had my ice cleats because this is pretty slippery. Might be able to move around, but I don't want you to get soaked around. Not at all. Oh. Whoa. There you go. Oh, listen up. Almost there. Oh, so cool. Watch your step. Oh no. Okay, bro, you're gonna have to jump. Go this way. Oh no. Here. We did it. High fives, everyone. We did it. Woo. All right, let's get back before dark. You need to go poo?
Yeah.
All right, we'll find a gas station.
Oh.
Number 2's hitting them. We gotta go. Well, so well, we did it, guys.
Oh.
We survived the day.
And the ice.
All right, everyone. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. We have videos every Saturday, right, bro?
Yeah.
Sure. Yeah, we got it. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Bye.